Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, we are going to locally implement this project called as HVI, which is a new color space for low light image enhancement. It is a project aimed at improving low light image enhancement by introducing a new color space which is called as horizontal vertical intensity or HVI. Traditional methods often use RGB or HSV color spaces, which can cause color bias, noise, and artifacts, but this new model tackles them by reducing Euclidean distances for similar red colors, minimizing red artifacts as you can see in this diagram. It also compresses low light regions to remove black artifacts while maintaining the image appearance. It utilizes chromatic and intensity information in HVI space through two network branches to achieve more accurate photometric mapping under varying lighting conditions. There are three key advantages as far as I can see with this approach. First, it reduces color space noise and it enhances brightness. We will also test it out shortly. It is also quite lightweight and computationally efficient, and we will also check it out after we get it installed locally. And if you look at a few of the benchmarks on 10 different data sets, you will see that it has outperformed state-of-the-art similar methods based on various experiments. So overall, the project proposes a more effective and efficient approach to enhance low light images by addressing the limitations of existing color spaces. So let's try to get it installed and we will see how it works. Let me also give a huge shout out to Massed Compute for sponsoring this VM and this GPU NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're also looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to their website with a discount coupon of 50% on a range of GPUs. First up, let's create a virtual environment with Conda, and yes, you saw it right. They are using Python 3.7, which is quite old, but that is what is being supported here. Next up, we need to git clone the repo, and I will also drop the link to it in video's description. Sorry, let me give the proper URL of this git with HTTPS. And the repo is cloned now. Next up, we need to install all the prerequisites from the root of the repo. This is going to take a bit of a minute. Okay, sorry. I just need to install CUDA and some other packages. Let me quickly do that. So I'm just going to install the CUDA and then it should be fine. This is going to take a minute or two. So while that happens, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Camel AI. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws of agents with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. And I will also drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, so everything is installed. Meanwhile, let's clear the screen, and that is all you needed to install. After that, in order to run the Gradio demo locally, all you need to do is to run this command from the root of the repo. And there you go, it is now running on our local host at port 7860. So let's go and try to run it. There you go, it is running now. Now, in order to test it, let me select an image from my local system. So I'm just going to go into my images directory, and then I believe I have something already. Okay, so I'm just going to select this image. So you can see it is quite a dark image, and I just want to convert into more lighted image, I could say. So I'll just select this. Yes, so I want to calculate this in Neek, and I will tell you shortly what exactly this means. Now from here, the two best models are either generalization or size. I'm just going to go with generalization, and then I'm just going to keep everything else as is. So let me click here on submit, and it is running, and it was very quick, and you can see that it has improved the image a lot. So image has been enhanced, and that looks really good. Now you see that Neek score is 4.7 or 4.69. Now what this Neek is, Neek stands for Natural Image Quality Evaluator. It is a no reference image quality assessment metric. It is used to evaluate the quality of images without needing a reference or original image for comparison. Neek measures deviations from statistical regularities observed in natural images, and it can, here it is being used, how naturally enhanced an image appears. Lower Neek scores indicate better image quality as the image aligns more closely with the statistical properties of high quality natural images. So that is what Neek is here. Now let me try out a few other images just to test it out. So we already have tested this one. Let's try this one out. And by the way, these are all AI generated images, so don't worry about these images. Now you see this is more enhanced. Look at the wall here and look at the wall here. Even the sky is more lit. Especially look at here and here, just compare it. There is a greenish hue on the right hand side. It's pretty good, I would say. Even the floor looks more enhanced. Maybe I will also just check it with size model. So these are different sort of models. There you go, much better even. And if I check the VRAM consumption, that is just 1.3 gig of VRAM, so you can even run it on CPU quite easily. Okay, let's try out more. So I'm just going to maybe get this blurry image. How's that? I don't know how much advantage would there be, but let's try it out. So it has enhanced it definitely, and but it's the quality is not that good in the naturalness, so that is why the Neek score is very high. Okay, so let's try out maybe, I think let's, it's not it doesn't convert blurry to non-blurry, so I don't think so that's a fair test, but let's try it out. It has definitely enhanced the image, but it doesn't remove the blurriness. Okay, let's try out one more dark and then we'll see. So let's try out this one. So this is just, there you go, you see the enhancement looks really palpable here. Okay, let's try out one more, maybe this dark room. Let's try it out. Look at the speed of it. So all the dark, it makes it enhanced. That is what it is doing. And you see the Neek score is quite high, so it's not it understands it's not that as good as it should be. Okay, so let's remove it. Let's try one more, maybe this one. I'll just submit. There you go. So it has sort of tried to light it up as much as it could, but it's not as good. That is why the Neek score is not that good. But I believe real good effort, really impressive stuff by this HVI. Let me know what do you think. I will drop the link to it in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please do me a favor and share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.